Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're tired of the boring and ugly lights that come with your RV, then it's time for an upgrade. That's what we did in our 34-foot fifth wheel. We traded out our dull lights with these amazingly sleek and bright ones from BlueFire. Switching them out was so easy. You do not have to be an electrician to do so. Simply follow the instructions. They're very clear. And look how amazing these are. It's so nice to be able to have matching lights in our front room kitchen area. My husband especially loves that they are dimmable. I like having them as bright as possible. And you have 3 different light types to choose from. I personally like the one that's in the middle between bright white and warm. It's a combination of both, and I think it brings such a nice feeling to the RV. I especially like the design that there are covers that go over the screws so you don't have to look at the ugliness of having a screw in your ceiling. I'm just delighted with how these look and how bright they are. It's definitely exactly what we wanted, and that's our point of view.